Engaging today's B2B buyers requires a lot more than it used to. Decision makers are getting younger, more tech-savvy, and more easily distracted. They also increasingly avoid salespeople, preferring to do their own research. In fact, 70% of their buying process happens before ever talking with sales. This shift means that having top-notch content that buyers can find and consume at their own pace is critical for success. The problem is that most B2B content is boring, hard to create, and impossible to track. On top of that, well, attention spans are short. It's not enough to have good content. You need to think about the content experience. Just like in the B2C space, your buyers respond to content that's engaging, mobile-friendly, and easy to digest. That's why we built the Foleon Content Experience Platform. Create immersive business content that will stand out and leave a lasting impression. Gain actionable insights into your audience's behavior and intent throughout their entire journey. And smash bottlenecks by empowering customer-facing teams to autonomously create content that's personalized and on-brand. It's time to turn your customer journey into an intelligent and interconnected content experience. Foleon. Business content that works.